The past year has changed many aspects of our life, including how we meet people and look for love. Online dating has become a popular way to meet new people, but it's important to know the do's and don'ts before jumping in. In the year 2020, as the pandemic extended its unwelcome stay in our lives, dating apps and online dating continue to become part of our norm. Lockdown love affairs, online dating, and video chat have become a good distraction for many people, with the Bumble dating app reporting a 93% spike back in March 2020. Here are some major doses to be successful in online dating. 1. Thriving in the online dating space. Navigating and winning. The world of online dating is all about the way you present yourself, practically being your true self despite the fact that he or she is not with you or has never met you before. Part of the excitement that dating apps can bring is being in full control of how you tell your story online. Stay confident and keep these dating tips in mind as a guide. 2. Be sensitive with the information you provide in your profiles. Before giving out some details about yourself, make sure the dating site is reliable and realistic, knowing that there's a mix of local and foreign women as audiences of your profile. Being sensitive to providing various information about yourself is something you need to consider. Provide basic details of yourself, enough details a stranger should know. Always remember that your privacy and security come first. When it comes to anything online, details such as a complete address, contact numbers, and credit card details are things you must never provide on your profile or to anyone. 3. Have a good opening line. Having a lame opening line like, "Hey, what's up?" isn't going to set you apart in the sea of online dating users. Read the person's profile and reference something specific to them in your first message. This shows that you paid attention to their profile and aren't just sending the same message to everyone. Being respectful is very important when it comes to talking to people you don't know. Regardless of where your correspondence is from, you should always be respectful, mindful, and understanding. 4. Leave the sexual humor out. For the first few conversations, keep things light as you're just getting to know him or her. Ask him about his hobbies, favorite food, and favorite TV shows. You might find that you have some things in common. Try to getting to know each other first. This simple act of sexual humor has brought many successful online dates to end. Focus on love and attention because that's the most important part of a good relationship. 5. Meet in a public place. Be sure to meet your date in an open place, most especially for the first and second time. For you to be on the safer side, avoid meeting people in secret because it can lead to harm or sexual harassment. And never feel scared to report any suspicious activity if you notice one, or report it to the nearest police station so that your safety will be ensured. Things to avoid in online dating. We understand that online dating comes with a lot of challenges, not to mention the perennial risk of rejection. Keep your head up and increase your shot at finding the right match by avoiding some of these big online dating don'ts. 1. Chat online for months before meeting. Sometimes, often unintentionally, the persona that an individual presents online is different from their personality in the real world. If your romantic interest is a big talker online but is actually shy in public, you'd prefer to find that out sooner than later, wouldn't you? There are few things more devastating than talking to a person on the internet for ages, building up a friendship and a fantasy of what you think they're like, and then having your dreams dashed when you finally meet them. 2. Agree to go to a guy or girl's home on the first date. Under most circumstances, you'll have no real idea whether your date is trustworthy. Going to their house not only increases the chances of danger, but also increases the odds of something sexual happening. Even if both parties have fun, first date sex often comes with negative consequences, such as the other person suddenly dropping off the face of the earth, that you're better off not dealing with. Be patient. If the sex is going to be great, it'll be just as great on the third date or later. 3. Send indecent pictures before the meeting. While it's understandable that some people like to exchange sexy pictures with a significant other, do not send them to people whom you're just talking to online. Once again, you don't really know these people. They may immediately text your provocative selfie to one of their friends, or post it on a popular website like Facebook or Twitter. You certainly don't want to come across it in all its glory the day before an important job interview. 4. Bring friends, family members, or pets to date. Unless you made some double dating arrangement, your date is coming to meet you, not your best friend, your mother, your child, or your dog. Of course, there are some exceptions, such as if your date is taking place at a dog park, but generally, it should involve just the two of you. If you've got children and you're unable to get a sitter, You're likely too tied up at the moment to date at all. If you want a friend to come along for safety reasons, get them to hang out nearby, but not with you. 5. Be late. It's incredibly annoying to wait around for someone who's not punctual. If you're late, this shows that you don't value your date's time. Plus, they may think you're not showing up and leave before you get a chance to meet them. 6. Wear revealing clothing. Even if you think you'd like to hook up with your date at some point in the near future, leave something to the imagination. Guys, don't show up shirtless, even if it's the summer. And girls, don't let all your cleavage hang out. Wearing an outfit that shows too much skin will make a male or female date think that you're just a piece of meat, and people tend to get bored with one piece of meat pretty quickly. 7. Barrage your date with messages afterward. While it's nice to thank your date for a good time, don't blow up their phone or inbox with frequent messages. If you're constantly trying to talk to them, they may get tired of you and may even start to see you as clingy, which is one personality trait that can cause a budding relationship to head nowhere fast. Oddly enough, online dating is a lot like interviewing for jobs. Each dater has tons of applicants to choose from, and it can be hard to make just one choice. Be careful when making decisions concerning online dates. Stay safe and have fun. If you agree with our key points in this video, let us know in the comments section. Click the next video to see how to gain integrity so that you can live up to your standard. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.